Okay guys, so today I'm going to be making slime. So yeah, let's get on with it. All you will need is any glue and laundry detergent. So we're going to make glitter. We're going to use glitter. You're going to put it into anything you're going to stir.
I messed mine up. Okay, so I then got paint.
And you put as much as you like. So, yeah. Then you're gonna wanna put in some laundry detergent. So then you're just gonna stir.
Guys, so today I'm going to be making fluffy slime. So there's many ways to make fluffy slime. Get out of here.
Oh yeah, you guys might hear my friend, but hang on. Mute yourself because Mike can hear you.
I know.
So you're gonna keep adding laundry detergent until it gets less sticky. And now it's stuck to the fork. Ew. And yeah, so just gonna keep adding.
Knock it off.
So yeah. Oh no. Did it turn out to be like purple glasses? Mine does not work. Yeah, well, but it does work. I think I added a little bit too much salt detergent.
Text her. Don't FaceTime her. She's working.
Then you're just gonna play around with it until it gets into slime. So yeah, I will see you guys once mine's all done. Okay guys, so after playing around with it, I made slime. It made, like, it got less sticky.
Yes, now you have to knead it.
And so, if you hear my friends, just my friend FaceTime me. She's also making a video. You should go subscribe to her and Bella Creations. So, yeah, she's really good at YouTube videos. She's teaching me how to make fluffy slime. I'm just regular slime. So, I did add a little bit too much detergent. So I added more glue, and then I kept playing with it, and it made slime. Okay, so that's how it turned out to be. Okay, guys. So after I've been playing with it for a while, it turned not like a blue, really. Like, let me see what color. Kind of like a galaxy type of color. And if that's how you guys want it, then I mean that's fine.
I had a female slime, so I did do this, and I know
and I'm adding more blue because this is gonna be my brother's, and he wanted it blue. So yeah, guys, just gonna keep playing around.